Hello future developers, welcome to another tutorial at ABCD. So today in our Python programming, we are going to learn about OCR, so Optical Character Recognition. So we are going to learn to use Python to extract text from an image as you see here. So on my right, we have a creative designer with 6 years of working experience. Okay. You can see with the help of some few lines of Python code, we are able to extract that as you see on my left. Okay. So that said, let's get started. Okay, so we would have to first install our packages. Okay, but there are some. So with the packages, we would be using PyTorch and then EasyOCR. So to EasyOCR is going to be the package that will help us to actually extract the text. It has some methods and functions for that. Okay, but it requires we install PyTorch. So you would have to visit the link here, pytorch.org, and then you scroll down. Let me enlarge this. Okay, so when you visit, you would come to this page, and then depending on the PC you are using, you would have to select this. Okay, so I am using my operating system is Windows, so I'll select this, and then I'm going to do pip. If you are using conda, use so I'm going to use pip, and then here Python if you are a Java person, but this is a Python program, so I'm going for Python. If your PC has a graphics card or yeah GPU, you might want to choose any of these. Okay, and use them. They'll actually make your work it will give you a good result. Okay, so I have a graphics card, but I'll use a CPU instead, so I'll select this. So to run this, I'll need to copy this code. Okay, then I'll go to my Python project. Okay, so I'm just going to let me do exclamation mark and then paste this here. Okay, oops. Okay, so pip3 install touch vision and then touch audio. Um, so yeah, the documentation for Easy OCR is here. Okay, so using this link, and then Easy OCR supports 80 plus languages. Okay, so if you go through the GitHub page, you can have like you can see how you can actually use Easy OCR. So that said, let's get started from here. So let me do pip install. So pip install easy OCR, and then let's run it. Okay, I think I did here markdown. Let's change to code. Okay, sorry. So I'm running it. Okay, so you can see here that it's loading. Okay, so since I already have it installed, okay, requirement is already satisfied. Okay. So for the latest development, you might want to use this. Okay. There are some errors that I came across when trying this, and then if you come across an error like this, as you see here, okay, let's scroll. Okay, it might occur inside your terminal. The error might occur inside your terminal. So I had to do some Stack Overflow search, and then I came across like this solution. So just so we avoid certain, I'm just going to copy this. So import OS. So I'm going to copy this code and paste it here. Okay, and then run it. Okay, so I'm hoping we don't get any error as I showed you earlier. Let me check my terminal. See. So now next is to import our libraries. Okay, so we are going to import Easy OCR, and then so let's import Easy OCR. OCR. Then I'm going to import CV, so computer vision 2. And then from we will do some matplotlib. So matplotlib. Okay, so I'm going to pause it and then type this out. Okay, so welcome back. So here I'm importing easy OCR to help us with the extraction or the optical character recognition. So here we have computer vision 2 also going to help us with the vision or visualizing, and it has lots of function like computer vision from OpenCV. So OpenCV has methods and the models functions that can help us draw lines, images, do some kind of computer vision. And then from Matplotlib, okay, we want to be able to do some plotting of our images or our image, and then I'm importing NumPy as NP. So NumPy is going to help us with some numerical computing. Okay. Okay, so I'll run it and then okay, so we are through. So in the next lesson, we'll learn to actually draw, not read the image. Okay, so that's it. I'll see you in the next lesson where we'll learn to read the image data. So thank you, and then see you in the next lesson. Thank you.